Suppose you want to weightage any word, or you want to add more meaning, or you want to take focus on any of the word. We can do that by bold, italic and underline. Suppose we want to add some external focus effect on lotus, so we will select this word lotus and we will go and click on bold, and as you can see, the word lotus is being bold. Suppose we want to highlight this word tiger, so we will first select tiger and then we will click on italic. As you can see, the text or the word tiger is being formatted. We want to highlight peacock, so go there and select the word peacock and then click on underline, and now you can see the word peacock is being underlined. This is how we can format our text as we want. Suppose you want to undo the change you made, or you want to revert the change you made lastly. To do that, you can go and click on the undo button. As you can see, when we clicked on undo, the change that we made on the word peacock is being reverted. And if you want to redo the same action, you can go ahead and click on the quick access toolbar and on the button redo. And as you can see, when we clicked on redo, the change that we have reverted is being revived. So this is how we can format our text, we can undo the changes made, and we can redo. This was it for this tutorial. Thank you.